Jivera Surupaya Krishnera Nityadas. This is our Surup Lakshana, the primary characteristics of the Jiva, is a desiring unit, a loving unit, a unit of loving desire and dedication, meant for the pleasure of Bhagavan Sri Krishna, Krishna Das, Das Anudas. So this is the four directions of Braj: Nandishwar in the north, Bhutteshwar in the south, Gopishwar in the east, Kameshwar in the west. But some clever enjoyer may try to parachute into Vrindavan, drop into Vrindavan, a spaceship or parachute, helicopter, enter the center, and he will be driven away by the Chakra Ishvara. Chakra Ishvara now is called Chakaleshwara. Because if something's coming in the air, then you have to shoot a missile. If someone's coming on the ground, Trishul is sufficient. If you're coming from the north or south, or west or east, Shiva has his Trishul. He just give you a poke and drive you away with the three gunas. Drive you away, cover you with ignorance, cover you with passion, cover you with goodness, and drive you and your Purushabhiman far, far from Braj Mandal. And the Nitya Seva Radha Govinda Yugal. But you're clever, you try to parachute in, then it's Trishul. But before he can get anywhere near, he'll launch his chakra. So Krishna will launch his chakra on behalf of Shiva. So he's Chakaleshwar. Because it says that this Chakaleshwar is in Manasi Ganga, on the banks of Manasi Ganga. Shiva is residing over there, doing his bhajan. Because this is where the chakra that was circulating above Govardhan Hill, there was one chakra drying up all the devastation rains and pralaya of the Samvartika clouds trying to inundate Braj during Govardhan Leela. So that chakra, when it settled down, it wanted to stay in Braj and do bhajan, Sudarshanji. So then he stayed on the banks over there, and Shiva did his bhajan there on that same bank. So Gopishwar, he's a very ancient protector of Sri Brajadam. It says that one cannot enter Vrindavan without his permission or sanction. His glories are sung throughout the Goswami literatures.